hammered it. Good bait though. I recommend getting it. I got it for Easter. I don't know the prices, but I got it at Dick's. Good sized fish on it, which I'm surprised about. He hammered it though, which is amazing. So let me get a picture on my phone with him. This is actually more of a crappie bait. So it's amazing that I even caught him. I wasn't even expecting to catch a bass today. There we go. Ooh, where'd you get hooked? Again, nice little guy right there. So let me take a picture on my camera now. But yeah, I'm having a hard time getting that off, so I'll have to use pliers, I think. How's it hooked to odd hook set on him? I need pliers. Oh wait, they're in my bag. Mind that, guys. But nice size little guy here. I got it out now. There we go. Good size fish. There we go. Pull him out. And there he goes. As I was saying, he hammered that bait. Hopefully I'll catch a couple more of those, crappie, anything right now. I was getting ready to reel it up and go change my spot out. And then he just hit that thing. I got the, ooh, crappie hit it. Crappie. Ooh. But that's the fish obviously it's supposed to catch it on. Nice, good bait though. I really recommend them. Because when I first got them, when I was using them, I was like, okay, I'm not too good with plastic baits. Maybe I'll have some luck. And, yeah. Let me just get, as my camera gets caught on my line. Oh yeah. Can't see. Let's get a picture on the GoPro. Right there, guys. And let's snap it back. I have several pictures of, pliers now. Again, the fish honestly like this bait. I don't know if it's the movement or just like the color. Where do you even swallow that? I don't even know where it swallowed it because I can't see the hook because of this bait. So I may have to go in through the gill and get it. Hold up. Just slide my finger away a bit. Scaring some of the fish back. Oof. We got it caught on his spine too. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger out. Grab it. I'm gonna try something that sometimes works. The wiggle did not work.